Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, let us see how to use Pear Deck. So, what is Pear Deck? Pear Deck is, it's an application for Google Slides. It's an add-on for Google Slides. So, this application is very helpful for teachers who make slides for students. So, this can be a very helpful video for teachers. Now let us see. Today let us see how do we open Peer Deck, how do we add Peer Deck and how to use it. So first, as you already know what's Peer Deck, as I told it to you now, let us see how do you add this Peer Deck. So first thing is you have to go to your, so first way is to type gsuit.google.com slash mar sorry slash market place and slash, and then when you press enter it will take you to your issue.google.com marketplace. See here you can find many useful apps. So you can put apps here. So when you scroll down, you'll find education. There are two sections in the education section. First one is for academic resources, and the second one is for teacher and admin tools. So when you click teacher and admin tools, so you will find in the first one Peer Deck for Google Slides. So when you click that, you can install it. So when you now I'm just gonna uninstall, as I've already installed the Peer Deck for Google. Now I have uninstalled. Now let us see how to install it. So first let me show you how can this Google Deck even be used. See here there are many things like, so first thing is you can bring your presentation to life with attractive questions with this Google Deck, with this Peer Deck. Next thing is you can select a question type to engage your students. You can make them draw or type text or make a choice or go and add an, or make it draggable or numbers or website. Next, you can present it with Peer Deck. After that, you can engage every student every day. You can share responses anonymously with the class. After that, there is one video. So let's see the video. So this is what you can do with Peer Deck. Now you just have to click install. But not one thing. This can only come in Google Slides, not in Google Docs or Google Sheets. So when you click install, so it tells with a small command box, get ready to install. So Peer Deck for Google Slides needs your permission in order to start installing. So the Peer Deck needs some of your permissions. So I'm fine with that. I click continue, and then it gives me a command box where it tells me to sign into my account. So I am fine. I can sign into my account. Then when I sign into my account, it tells Peer Deck wants to access your Google account. So I click yes because I'm fine with that. Then read this carefully. This will allow Peer Deck to view and manage your Google Slide presentations, view your Google spreadsheets, connect to an external device, and blah blah blah. So make sure you read this. Okay. So read the private policies and read everything. And if you're not sure, if you think this won't be fine for you, then you can click cancel. But I am fine with it, so I press allow. So after that, it tells Peer Deck for Google Slides has been installed. I'm fine with that, so I click done. Now I have to go to my Google Slides. Here I go to my Google Slides. So when I go to my Google Slides, it told me to see the no the appli- the add-ons section. So I just start a new blank page, means presentation. So it told me to find the add-ons, click this add-ons. So I click it, and then it tells it reloaded it and it got it. The Peer Deck for Google Slides add-on. So you can even get add-ons more, you can even get more add-ons there, and you can even see some document add-ons. So I can open my Peer Deck add-on. So it tells it's working, fine, waiting, and here. So here you can find all the things you can do here. So let us tell now. This is the Peer Deck. You can see it, it's very small. So there are totally 5 sections in this. First one is the template library where you can click that arrow and then you can give your lesson builders the beginning of your lesson and during the lessons or end of the lesson and subject areas or learning developments, all those. Next thing is you can ask your students a question. Now first I'll give the title of my presentation as let's tell the title of my presentation would be Tall Trees. If you have any nice name other than Tall Trees, then please put it in the blank, means in the comments below. Next, so now I'm gonna create a new slide. So in this new slide, I can, I can give a title and I can, ask a question. This is the question. Now, if I want my students to answer, I can use this peer tech. I can make them to put their text. I can make them to put their choice. I can make a choice. I can put numbers or I can give them a website. So now I want to put some text in it because my students have to type some text. So when I press add, it gives a small command box where it tells text response review, student device. Students type a response to your prompt on their devices. Classroom projector. Display a question to the class or show student responses in real time. So I can just update slide. Peer is working and voila. Now my students can write what is the answer. Fine with that. So if you want to add, in the next slide, I will show you. Then how do you use this choice? So when you click choice, it will give another command box where it tells multiple choice response review, student device, student view and interact with a website embedded on their device. Classroom projector displays a question to the class or shows student responses in real time. Now there's a next button. I just click the next. So I can insert the choice. I can insert the choices. So first one will be yes. Second one will be no. Third one will be maybe. So I can update the slide, then add another one, or I can delete it. So I'll delete my maybe because I don't want a maybe. How to add? If you press add another, it comes. So just delete and I can update the slide. The Pear Deck is working. Here. I got it. But now you might tell me that only this is there, right? So there's no the options you have written. So when you start your lesson, you can find these options. I'm just gonna delete of these slides. So that's how you can use the text, choice, number, website, blah blah blah, and many other things. There are two more things down, which is called as draw and draggable. You can even add the audio to the slide, but it's only for premium. So we don't need that. Just leave it. Next thing is the text library. When you click that, you can build your presentation and make it come to life. So you can keep on going with your classes and you can add your can add items. So first I'm going to begin my lesson. I'm gonna type. I don't need to type. So especially if you're slow at making all these type presentations, then I'm telling you, Peer Deck is a very nice application for you. It's add-on for you. So you just have to click any one slide you liked, and then it tells it's working, and it should probably come for you. Voila, it came. So you can edit it. You can take out some things and do the work. To that, you can add many other slides. You can add the slides, and it's not compulsory really to add a slide only with this. So can add many slides. You can add text slides, can add even drawing slides, and you can even add draggable slides. So what are draggable slides? And if I click this draggable slide, it gives, so the students just have to, you know, actually when you start with your lesson, it will give you the it will make the students drag, and you can even put some you can put some practices, some like something like make some connections, like if it's a test then you can do like something like this, can make ask your students to connect, and you can step it up all to the solution. Means give a question and then they have to write it like that. You can put it like I wonder, or draw conclusion, draw conclusions, and many other things can add. So Peer Deck is very good for exercises. You can even ask your students if they are stressed, or if they are not, they're not feeling good, or if they're not liking something, or they want some help, then you can use this. So you can even put, did you find this lesson nice, or it's like too hard, something like that. And even you can choose a class, and you can put things and with that way. So let's tell the story map. I want to add a story map there. So I can add a story map to my presentation. So I added a story map here. So that's a good thing. And you can do many other things with this. So now when you want to present, you have to complete your free account. So if you after you complete your free account, when you click start lesson, that time you can ask your students to ask your students to do the work. So right now I'm still not yet completed my free account, so I can do that later, and even you can do that later. So what I just today wanted to show you is how does this peer deck work. And if you are liked it, I'm really telling you, it's a really, really, really nice application or add-on. It's a very nice add-on, and you have to have it. Okay, so thank you and bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.